GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
No
legend.
longer gotta look pathetic. Gizzy.
What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. Happy Halloween to you guys. Hope all is well. Thank you to the new subscribers who are subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thank you to the people who have been following me since 2009 here doing credit repair, helping people out with their credit, business loans, trade lines, all the stuff that you see me do on my videos. Anyways, my people, this video is a special video, and I wanted to make it today because it is very scary out there when you get customers who you've helped out before and then they come back for the service. It's like someone who, like The Walking Dead, where they were normal, then they get bit by debt, and then they just walk around like zombies and attack you. That's the analogy that I got for this video. But anyways, listen, this year has been a crazy year with returning customers. About 16 people that I've previously helped out this year started back again. And the scary part of that is not only on their part of them not doing what they're supposed to do, which keep up with their payments, don't get overextended with the debt that you have, but also on my part, like, what am I doing to prevent this from happening to you guys? But I really can't tell you what to do with whatever monies it is that you get, with whatever card that you get, with whatever credit card, whatever debts you get into. You know, I can't challenge your hustle. Like, I can't say, well, you can't do this, or don't get into that, don't get into this debt, or don't get into that debt. I could tell you all those things, but people are going to be people, and people are going to do whatever it is that they are going to end up doing. So this year, you know, you get these customers who, you know, I appreciate you guys for coming back. Some of you are very shy, and some of you, you know, you go a year and you work with another company because you kind of feel ashamed that you have to come back to me. It's not the shameful part that gets, you know, you shouldn't be ashamed of being in debt. Everyone is in debt. You know what I'm saying? You should always stay working so that you could handle whatever debts it is that you're going to get. But understand that, you know, if you do come back to me, you need to have the same patience that you had when you started with me. All right, because a lot of people, you know, even those people who start the service who don't update their credit, you know, you should already know my lingo. You should already know how we do our job here. You should already know that we commit to the file until everything is removed. You should already know that you're going to have to update your 3 bureaus one time every 30 days. So I give you some examples of some customers who've come back to me, and they come back in February, but they stop updating their credit report in May, right? So then May goes to all these months. All right, now these customers started in February, come May, they're getting $15,000, $20,000 new credit cards, new inquiries. All right, so then they come back. All right, they haven't updated their credit report since May. Come October, asking, oh, hey, how's my credit looking? I haven't seen any results. Really? You haven't been updating your 3 bureaus. How am I supposed to do my job if you're not updating your 3 bureaus? Like, that's the tool that you and I use in order to see your results online. But some people can't or don't want to update their 3 bureaus. Some people, you know, there's an address issue with Equifax or Experian that it takes time for them to update their 3 bureaus, so they got to send documentation in order to do that. But don't come back, right, update your 3 bureaus 4 or 5 months later and then expect and say, hey, my inquiries are still there. What's going on? I mean, come on, man, give me a break. All right. Now, I could be saying this very ghetto, but I don't want to take it there because it does get aggravating. But just understand that it's, just like, you're aggravated with your situation. We're aggravated too. We're aggravated that we got to do more work on our load. We aggravated that you went out there and added more inquiries when you're not supposed to. But that's, that's something that works the same, that's something that people do. All right. Or this customer does. But then again, it's been like 16 people who started back again. So it's the problem out there. So this is a video to let you guys know that stay up to date with whatever it is that you're doing. So yesterday I got another customer who we helped out like a year ago. This customer even purchased our professional do-it-yourself credit repair system. But some people don't like to work on their own things. They want other people to work on their stuff. So this person stops updating their credit report a year ago. Okay, then they come back to me and say, hey, Gizzy, can you continue working on that one negative account that you guys last stopped working on? Stopped working on? Come on, man. We didn't stop working on it. You stopped updating your 3 bureaus a year ago. If you come back to me, I gotta have to recharge you. What is this? You paying for a service, I'm helping you out, and you stop doing what you're supposed to do. But yet again, you come back to me and you try to hustle us, because that's how we feel. We feel hustled. So that's the understanding that you guys need to understand. All right, that's the thing that you guys need to understand, is how we feel. All right, don't just, have no shame. All right, and be like, oh, Gizzy, I'm back. This is, 6 months, 8 months. 12 months later, oh, Gizzy, you remember I stopped updating my 3 bureaus. Can you help me out? You're gonna have to get recharged. Now, returning customers don't get charged the same as regular customers. All right, we always give you guys a deal, and we appreciate you guys thinking of us for coming back to us. But at the same time, there is going to be a small charge, not the regular charge that we usually charge customers, which if you get a quote, which if you want a quote, I could definitely give you, send me your information. I'll give you a quote for the service. If you have done credit repair in the past with us and you got a late payment or whatever, you could start back up with us. But understand that it's going to be a process. You need to be just as patient as you were when you started with us. All right. So don't blame me for you not updating your 3 bureaus when that's a job that you're supposed to be doing. It's not my responsibility. Right now, this is a team thing, credit repair. I do my job, you do your job as far as updating your 3 bureaus. Then you tell me, no, hey, Gizzy, I updated all 3. Hey, Gizzy, I got these results in the mail. I'm forward them over to you. I'm going to scan them and send them over to you. Okay, cool. Hey, Gizzy, I got this email. I'm going to forward it over to you. All right, cool. Hey, Gizzy, something came in the mail from a collection agency. Can I forward it over to you? Yes, forward it over to us. Those are the type of people who are usually going to experience success. And also the people who are going to enjoy the process of credit repair are the people who are going to be on their hustle, are people who are going to keep continuing working, all right, making income, making money, and having their credit be secondary as far as a blessing. Once it's fixed, boom, they're able to do what they want to do. Again, my people, it's very scary to deal with you guys. It is. I mean, it's scary for you to deal with me, and I'm online. But shout out to the people who see me on here, see me on social media. I got a couple of customers who started from Afghanistan, Italy, people in Japan who have started credit repair with us, and people overseas who are in the military, which I'm gonna make a video for that because I get a lot of customers from out there. All you need is a US address, military address, and we're good. Anyways, my people, scary thing about credit repair is you getting into a debt that you can't handle. All right, that's the most scariest thing in credit repair, because after you fix your credit, you think you can handle something, and you can. Anyways, my people, if you want more videos like this, I got YouTube question answer videos that are coming up every Sunday. So last Sunday I didn't upload my video because I had a baby. My daughter Bella Rain was born, but definitely looking forward to answering your questions that you sent to me. And every Sunday I'm gonna put out question answer videos with your boy GizzyCredit here. See you later. Enjoy.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a chance.